Shut up, Reno. Shut up.
Rockstar lifestyle might not make it, so roll up, let's get high. Yeah, I love my niggas, I've been clutching on my glizzy.
Hey, bro, we riding right now, bro. Somebody come get these man, bro. He keep on eating these freaking Tic Tacs. Like
Hey, yeah,
candy.
man.
You man tripping,
Certified Tic Tacs.
Certified.
They're real good. And you know, if you want to get the breath smelling minty fresh, Tic Tac, go ahead and sponsor this.
No cap, bro. Hey, look, man, Tic Tac, we need y'all to go ahead and sponsor us because we do eat Tic Tacs on the regular. You know, we keep it real clean. You know what I'm saying? No dirty teeth around here. You feel me?
No dirty nails.
No dirty nails. No cap. Hey, bro.
Two more nails. You see, no dirty nails.
Man. Good nails, bro.
Good old nails.
Good. Hey, what they for though?
What they for? So what you do is you dig in, and that's it. Oh my God.
Hey, you heard what he said, bro. Hey, y'all, man, my boy over here, bro, he trying to sing to all the females that's watching.
If you're watching this, I'ma sing a song for you. You really gonna like this song. It goes like boom boom, do 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 do, boom boom. Okay, it said, baby, let me put my hands on you.
Ooh!
Cause I want baby from you, girl. And you know that I don't even like you. Cause I just wanna rock your world. I'm a toxic nigga, baby, you know that.
Yeah.
That's the preview of it.
Hey, he said he can't sing that, bro. That's just a little preview, so y'all stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Bro, this person trying to turn in front of me. Why are you doing that? Go ahead, bro.
These niggas are dumb.
No. Yeah, man. About to do a quick little rap battle, you know what I'm saying? I mean, not rap battle. No, not rap battle. About to be a little freestyle, you know what I'm saying?
You're a freestyle man.
So, what we gonna start with, bro? What word we start with?
We're gonna start with protect.
Protect, alright.
You know I gotta protect when I am erect. Tongue run on the way and I got a wreck. Son, shoot him in his back. Click clack. That boy is dead now.
Ooh. He said that boy is dead now.
Uh-huh.
He said I told on somebody. I'm a fed now. I'm
Oh.
locked up. I'm a dread now.
Okay.
Shot that boy in the back. He dead now.
That
It's like,
nigga- hey yo, I said he's dead now. I shot him with the lead and now he fed now.
Ooh.
Hold on, you ain't heard what I said now.
Ooh.
Open your ears before I make you dead now.
He gonna make you dead now? Hold on. I pulled up to the scene. I punched her in the neck now.
Mm-hmm.
They got mad at me. I have no respect now.
Okay.
I put a Honda on the road. You know I got to get the VTEC now.
Oh. He said VTEC. When they have a VTEC, you know that ain't slow.
Never.
My heart is so big, you call that Velcro.
Ooh.
Cause it never stop pulling.
No
And
cap.
attaching.
No cap.
I pull out my cock and I get that pistol whacking.
Hey, well, that was stupid as hell. Hey, man, let me know what y'all think about that, man. We some certified rappers, bro. We do it all, bro. We tattoo, we draw, we dance, we sing. You know what I'm saying? Tic Tac time.
Tic Tac.
We got Tic Tac.
Happy Tic Tac's crazy. Minty fresh.
Oh, we gotta stay minty fresh. If you don't stay fresh, bro, how you gonna talk to somebody? You know what I mean?
Eat all these at once, I guarantee you, your breath is smelling cleaner than the Sahara Desert and something's dead.
No cap. Got to.
Got to be more careful. If you ain't careful,
Bro, look at these boys cutting up.
who is?
Right here.
Go ahead and
The
get.
Camaro or whatever that
Go
is.
ahead and
Oh, it looks like two Camaros.
give.
I might just let them go.
I think
Oh, no, this one right here not trying to come
I eat these Tic Tacs right in a car,
out. Okay.
so my teeth can shine bright like a star. Got cataract. Nope, I don't get it in my eye because I can see very far.
Ooh.
As you can see, we're on the highway. It's a car group too.
He's
right there.
I'm trying to get close.
There's one right there. Dang, that's a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot of
I'm gonna get over. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He getting over, get over. Like he the leader.
I think he just trying to like show that they're.
Yeah, man, good.
Well, that's a lot of mopars. Oh my.
They really slow for real.
They're really slow for real.
They really slow.
They ain't trying to go for real.
They ain't trying to go for real.
They don't want to show for real.
They don't want to show for real.
Hey, they not trying to go for real.
Fellow Americans, they don't want to go for it.
They really don't want to let me know for real.
They don't really want to let you know for real.
Because I'm the GOAT for real.
Because I'm the go for real.
Yeah.
I am the go, god dang it.
Hey, bro, look at this man set up, bro.
Shit you see.
Hey, bro, he thick. That boy thick.
Ew.
That boy thick.
What the heck is that?
Yo. Oh, my goodness.
I bet you got Skinny Woods in the front.
Heck yeah. You know he got them skinnies.
He do.
Hey, let's see what he got.
He do.
Oh, bro.
Yeah, he racist.
Oh,
That
gosh.
man be racing. That's what it is.
Bro, we in here right now. One of these dudes right here. You know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, what you say to them?
We back and we're better.
What?
What you mad as ever? No one needs to say
Hey.
We about to bowl today.
They about to all get whooped though. What's up, bro?
What you talking about, man?
Everybody gotta get whooped, you feel me? Everybody.
That's why I said, can you see the road? What's going on, brother, man?
You good, man?
Good, brother, man.
Yeah, you already. Oh, snap! I dropped the key, bro.
Don't worry about it. What he say?
Hey.
Damn.
Oh, snap. But Atlantis, what the heck was that, bro? How you gonna met, bro? Yeah. See what you got, bro. Oh, straight down the middle. Okay.
Good work, baby. Working with.
Hey, bro, show him the curve real quick. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Hey, bro, hit the dance one time, bro. Hit the dance. Ooh. I feel like they robbed you with that one. I ain't gonna lie. Man, that man playing, bro.
I back in the Okay. Hey, bro, you got robbed again, bro. Bro, what the heck are you doing, bro?
The air and the oil in my hand.
Okay.
Bro, how the heck? Bro. Hey, bro, if you curb it into that, bro, I'll give you $30, bro. He ain't shake. Bro.
Where money at?
We did not shake, sir. We did not shake.
All right, bro, let's see what you got, bro. Yes, sir. All right, bro, like, dang. Bro, hey, bro, this man slinging that ball, yo. Bro, why he throwing it so hard? Hey, watch it. Let's get it on. Oh, my God.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Hey, bro, you won't use that, bro? You won't use that?
I'm not using that.
You won't use
Watch
it?
this curve, though.
All right. Let's see. Better get a strike, too.
Yeah, you curved it right to the
Ooh.
Oh, the head is little, the head is little.
Yeah. Alright.
Bro, you going? Alright.
Pressure's on, man. You do it. Hey, bro, y'all got disregard that, bro. I wasn't even paying attention, bro. I did it on purpose, bro. And this nigga laughing at me, bro.
Niggas owe me $48, bro. I hit the first strike.
That's true. That's true. He think I owe him 30, but I don't.
Yeah, I get 30. Just jump. Just jump.
Let's see. Mind you, he got reach advantage.
Thank you.
Still touch the same spot.
Thank you. Come on, man. Let me know when I something high.
It's already in there. That's up there, mind you. Bro, he had
I feel like I took that shit like this, bro.
I swear, bro.
I feel like
Bro, we sitting at this little bar right here. I don't know why we sitting here, bro. We just sitting here. Well, they about to get something to drink, but I'm the DD, so I can't drink, you know what I'm saying? I don't drink anyway.
Yeah, you just
But-
on Casamigos.
Yeah, you guys, man. No, y'all crazy. Y'all crazy.
Get some turtle juice.
Turtle juice? What is that? I don't want that. Hey, yo, hold on. Bro, you said he want to do what, bro?
I ain't paying for no drink.
No, I ain't talking about that. Bro, you said he
trying
want
to
to
make
do what,
somebody a
bro?
mother for Mother's Day, you feel me? I'm trying to make you a mother for Mother's Day. Come on.
Mother's Day, man.
Come on,
He trying to find a mother for Mother's Day. I don't know what's wrong with
He
these
trying to
people,
make
man.
moms.
I got me free drinks, nigga.
Bro, they keep on messing with this goddamn robot. I don't know why.
You already talking about it?
No, we was.
He said, don't you wait.
She was like, I was like, so I'm trying to take you out.
Hey, man, y'all want to know somebody that can't drive? This man right here, bro. He cannot drive, bro. Look at him, bro. What are you doing? He ain't even in the park. This man double parked. What are you doing? Hey, bro, somebody come take this man car, bro. He had to come back out of it. That's crazy. Yo. Say, man, I'm gonna end the vlog off right there. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know what to do. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. And I also got a little treat for y'all that I did not show y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all right now. So, I ended up doing this to my car, you know what I'm saying? Got them whites on, you know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong with the whites. Cannot go wrong with it. Check it out. All the way around. You feel me? You feel me? Look at that. That is hard as heck. That is so hard, bro. Anyways, man. Like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I'll be back again with some more videos. You know what I'm talking about.
Ain't nobody saved.